Hello friends, we are going to discuss about the for loop in Python. The way to write a for loop is for followed by a loop variable and we are having a in statement sequence followed by a colon. Next we are going to write the statements within the body of the for loop. To represent the statement within the scope of the for loop, you have to give an indentation. So give an indentation, write this statement. Statements to repeat. Now I explain the syntax. For is a keyword for the for loop. Variable is the loop variable. We have to give an in operator followed by the sequence. The sequence may be list or string. The loop variable will take the first value in the sequence and execute the body of the statement. And it come to the next iteration and take the next value in the loop variable, body of the statement will get executed. So for the number of values in the sequence, that number of time the for loop will get executed, we have to give a colon here. So this is the syntax of the for loop. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.